Hi, I hope this video finds you well. I, as a Thai youth, would like to address a serious situation that is currently happening at the Thai-Cambodian border. This is very important for the world to see and understand what is really going on. On July 24, Cambodia has initiated hostilities, launching a long-range attack across the border into Thailand. But what they targeted was not the military base, not a battlefield. They fired directly at a convenience store at a gas station, where civilians, children, mothers, and the elderly were simply going about their day. Innocent lives who had nothing to do with any conflict were taken in hands. Some kids were just taking food, some were just grabbing a snack, but none of them made it home. This was not an accident. This was a